Hi Ohouse, welcome into my home. My name is Taylor. I live here in San Francisco in Lower Haight. We've been here for about a little under 2 years and love this neighborhood, love this building. The building's from 1905, I think. It's so beautiful. I really love collecting vintage, collecting antiques. Treasures that you really love make everything in your home feel connected because you love the item and not just as it works in your space. I live here with my girlfriend and she's way too forgiving for me to just like run wild with my design style, but I really love color and pattern and texture. I think that makes it feel lived in and not feel so stark and sterile. The meaning of home is to just like feel comfortable in your space to me, and especially like learning and working in interior design. Anytime we can make it feel cozier, like we love being at home. We're both pretty big homebodies and we love being here, and I think that's like the biggest part of it.